This vehicle is a 2002 Mazda Millennia P Special Edition, 89,999 miles, with 89,999 miles. Brought to you by Desert Auto Dealer. This Mazda is a 4-door vehicle with 6 cylinders. This vehicle is for sale for only $3,999. For more information, please visit us at desertimportexport.com or call us at 760-895-5285. Thank you for watching our video.